Hello, welcome to Boston Bone and Joint Institute. If you're watching this video, you may have a few questions about your XROM elbow brace by Donjoy. This is the XROM elbow brace by Donjoy. This brace is called a ROM due to its abilities to achieve total range of motion with both elbow flexion and extension. This brace has the ability to lock an extension or flexion, allowing for mobilization of your elbow. Your brace may slightly differ in style as there are many alternative models and brands, but generally they function the same. Boston Bone and Joint Institute bills this durable medical equipment to your insurance company. Please contact your insurance company for your benefits or contact our office for additional information. The goal of this item is to limit range of motion as well as protect the elbow post-injury or post-surgically. You should never adjust your brace without instruction from your provider. Your provider will provide you with a protocol that will detail the range of motion progressions and instructions as to when and how much you should be adjusting the range of motion of your brace. This brace will typically be appropriately modified and customized to you and applied at the time of surgery or in clinic. Before applying your brace, make sure that each quick clip is fastened. There are a few modifications that will likely be made on the length and width of your arm. There are 4 cuffs of this brace, each of which is modifiable to your arm. The top cuff will be just below your axilla or armpit, and the bottom cuff will be just above your wrist. On each cuff of the brace, you will notice a button. This button allows you to modify the length of the brace. Once we customize it to you correctly, you should not need to adjust the length, and instead will simply need to apply and remove the brace. The center or hinge portion of the brace will be aligned with your elbow. On the hinge portion of the brace, you will see that the brace can go into a full 120 degrees of flexion and negative 10 degrees of extension, which allows for full range of motion. This will be appropriately locked by your provider to ensure appropriate progression of range of motion as well as overall protection of your elbow. There is an alligator Velcro tag attached to each quick clip. Once you are clipped into the brace, you may tighten each strap using the alligator quick clip tag. This Velcro tag can be cut and adjusted if necessary. You may find yourself adjusting the tightness of your brace frequently, as the brace can slip down as your muscles begin to atrophy and the swelling begins to go down. You may have noticed that there is a sling component to your brace as well. Typically, this is not utilized. However, in order to attach the sling, you must feed the Velcro tag from the cuff closest to your wrist through the clip on the sling and fasten the Velcro. To clean and care for your XROM brace, it is best to spot treat using a damp cloth. Please do not submerge the brace in water or use a washer and dryer. If you have any additional questions regarding your brace, please refer to your postoperative protocol or contact our office.